This is an economic plan with a significant ecological impact. Right now in Tamil Nadu, we've converted 69,760 farmers into agroforestry. And their incomes go up anywhere between 3 to 8 times in 5 to 7 years. But the most important thing is, it's lucrative for the farmer and his hands are free. He doesn't have to go and mess with it every day. He can do various other things. This human resource can be used in many different ways. So, the most important thing is, we need to move people away from this 3-month, 4-month agriculture into long-term agriculture. Otherwise, they will all sell their lands and real estate and nonsense will happen. If land has to remain in the hands of the farmer, you have to go for long gestation period crops. So a whole lot of people are going for coconut, but how much coconut will you grow? How much horticulture will you do? There's only that much because most of the Tamil people don't eat fruit. They don't, pongal. Appadithane? Pongal, daily pongal eating, they don't like fruit, they don't like all that, they like pongal, all right?
I like pongal.
You like pongal too. So, because we have learnt how to mix these three things, pungence, sourness and salt, we can produce magic out of it. You go to the local village, into the poorest home, with little tamarind, chili and salt, he makes magic. After that, you don't want to eat anything. You want to lick it dry because it's like that, you can't stop. So because of this, fruit consumption, if we have to increase, we have to start a whole campaign. It's not going to just happen overnight. If you just grow fruit, it'll go waste. Otherwise, it must be of that quality that you can send it elsewhere. There are many issues to this. Agroforestry is a best thing we can go into because there is immediate consumption for that. Some part of it can go into horticulture, but the important thing is, land should come under shade. Every 10,000 trees will augment about 39 million liters of water. So when we talk about this 242 crore trees, what it means is, it can sequester anywhere between 9 to 12 trillion liters of water. To give you a perspective, right now Kaveri river that is flowing, the total volume of water in the Kaveri river is 21.2 trillion liters. We are estimating in 12 years if we can do it, if the government gives an incentive to switch. We are asking for an incentive from both the governments. Right now, 4 states are going aggressively with Rally for Rivers recommendations. They are planting crores of trees on the riverbanks, they're doing that work. But we must understand results will come after 8–10 years, not now. It slowly happens. If you want results, that's how it is, there is no magic wand for this. So, I met the environmental minister in the center, the Jal Shakti minister, and we are talking to the Niti Aayog and the 2 governments here. But without incentives, we won't be able to shift in a major way. We are preparing to start mega nurseries all over the place and raise fund for this 242 crore trees.